Awesome.
Hell yeah, guys.
Here it comes. Do it. Reward us. You know it's coming this way. Yeah, we're in the path. All right,
Oh yeah.
look at it, it's coming down.
Oh yeah.
You want me to move?
That ain't no
Drop it
needle
down a
there.
little bit more. There you go.
Just give me some more. That was a large bump. Give me some more wipers.
This includes the city of the area. We repeat to seek shelter. Severe weather threatens. Here are some storm reports from around the area.
Oh yeah.
At 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Anybody report this on the ground?
Yeah, it's on the ground.
I'm into the NWS.
I'll call. Oh, I can't call it. Give me your phone.
You had it last. It's right here.
Here, film this and I'll report it in.
Got it.
Yeah, we'll run that power that night.
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Here, I need to get back.
Estimated $half-size hail at Catherine. 70 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Martin, Ellis,
Yes.
Rush, Russell, and Trago.
Oh, that is nice.
You are listening to NOAA, all hazards radio station WXM 35.
And that's not going to
originating
any
from the
towns,
NOAA
is it?
National Weather Service in Dodge City.
We are 3 miles north of Sanford. Large tornado! Large tornado!
What do you
You are
think?
listening to NOAA, all hazards
Keep going,
radio
Omar.
station WXM 35. Originating from the NOAA National Weather Service in Dodge City.
Okay, they're getting crappy right now.
Okay, stop.
Not too soft.
This service is brought to you in part with
Gonna turn around real
Yeah,
quick.
turn around. We got time to turn around. Let's drop it.
Remains in effect for Pawnee County until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Hopefully it just comes near us.
Hey Jeff, I'll get ready to take your picture.
Hey, no, face this way. It's the camera.
Yeah,
just face this way. What?
Hazards include the damaging tornado.
We have time. We have time.
PM Central Daylight Time for the following county: Pawnee County, Kansas.
Sam, can you record this for me?
Alright, I thought I was saying.
Tornado warning for Ellis County is being reissued. Please refer to that bulletin for the latest severe weather information. However, small hail is still possible with this thunderstorm. Repeating, the tornado warning has been allowed to expire for the following county: Ellis County, Kansas. You are listening to NOAA, all hazards radio station WXM 35, originating from the NOAA National Weather Service in Dodge City and broadcasting on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz. This service is brought to you in part with help from radio stations KJLS, KKQ, Paradise, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of reducing it to 25 miles per hour. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was headed to Rozel. Those in Rozel should be covered immediately. Tornado is located near Rozel and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour towards the town.
I know, I got hit.
Oh, that was my bag.
I know, I got hit.
Progressing weather conditions and with for later patients. If the threatening storm approaches or a warning is issued, move to a basement and get under something sturdy. If a basement is not available, go to the lowest floor and get a small room for a shelter box or pencils and cover your head. Stay away from windows.
That was amazing.
A tornado warning remains in effect for northern Russell County until 8 p.m.
I mean,
Central Daylight Time.
the tornado hits your head, you might not be here anymore, man.
We're back! Woo! You streaming or not? No, not yet. Get a road that goes this way.
I don't know
First
any
road. We just passed one.
Oh, that's gonna be muddier than this crap.
It's okay, I don't care. It's not coming towards us.
We'll get the next one.
goodness! What? Ow, 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 ow. Now it's your turn. Where's my camera?
It's right here.
Videotape, okay?
I got it.
Park doors unlocked. Videotape us, all right? Sam, wait. Brandon, videotape us.
That is amazing. All right, Jeff, or Sam, you want to record or you got it?
Actually, I haven't got any pictures.
Oh, okay, go for it. That's all right, man. Wow, Jeff.
Yeah, please. Hey, Brandon.
Yeah.
You want to help me get this in?
I have a record here.
Sam, get in.